Welcome back to more Farming with Family. Today, Macy's here riding with us. She's going to be staying with us for about a month, and she's the one that actually edits all the videos, so that's all on her. But today we are air seeding. We've done about 40 acres so far, and I think all the bugs are out of it. So we're gonna keep going. Right now we're doing right around our farm. So we're just seeding in where it used to be our cow lot. So we got a bunch of stuff cleaned up, and we're gonna get some soybeans planted in here. The truck I have for sale. Sold as is. Make an offer.
If anyone wants a new truck, we have one.
I think I'm done for the day. It's spritzing out a little bit more and everything's just getting wet, so instead of ball everything up with mud, we'll just call it good for the day, but we'll find some other stuff to do. Go see how the baby chicks are doing that we've been hatching out. Go check on those, but we'll check back with you later. So we did a bunch of planting today, got about 150 acres done or so, and now it's nighttime, so I'm going to catch up on some rock rolling. Got my neighbor's Dagelman rock roller that I rent every year. Got a pull with my 4440 that we use for the sprayer, so it should be a pretty good matchup. And we'll see how many acres we can get done tonight. Hopefully I can get caught up with where I've done so far. The lights aren't as good on this tractor, so sometime this summer I'm going to be putting a light bar on here so I can see like it's daytime out. Gotta turn our first corner. First I do all the ends, get those done and out of the way. And it's always nice when you don't run into the fence. Feel free to check me out on Snapchat. If you look in the comments section, I put my link in there for some videos that are happening kind of as I'm recording, so feel free to check me out there daily. Thanks. Alright, we finished the first field. Now we'll move back to my place where I had the second field at, so about a mile drive, so we'll get on our way there. that's how you unroll the rock roller. Thankfully on the first try. Sometimes it gets a little tricky, but it seems like if you back uphill, then it seems to split apart a little bit easier. Now we're ready to go on the next field. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.